Imagine a world where the thunderous footsteps of Tyrannosaurus rex once again shake the earth, where the skies are filled with the leathery wings of pterodactyls, and where long-necked sauropods graze on treetops that haven't felt their touch in 65 million years. This isn't just the stuff of science fiction anymore. Thanks to groundbreaking discoveries in the field of paleogenetics, the resurrection of dinosaurs might be closer to reality than we ever thought possible. For decades, the idea of bringing extinct species back to life has captivated the imaginations of scientists and the public alike. But it's the dinosaurs, those magnificent beasts that ruled our planet for over 160 million years, that have always held a special place in our collective fascination. The question that has lingered in the minds of researchers and dreamers is, could we really bring them back? The answer to this tantalizing question may lie in a surprising source: amber. These golden time capsules have preserved insects, plant matter, and even small animals for millions of years. But it's what's inside that has scientists buzzing with excitement. Fossilized DNA, trapped within the amber's resinous embrace, has reignited the possibility of cloning extinct organisms, including our prehistoric predecessors. The discovery of DNA in amber was nothing short of revolutionary. It opened up a world of possibilities that were once thought to be purely in the realm of science fiction. Suddenly, the genetic code of creatures that walked the earth millions of years ago was potentially within our grasp. This finding sent shockwaves through the scientific community and sparked a renewed interest in the field of de-extinction. But before we start planning our trips to a real-life Jurassic Park, it's important to understand the monumental challenges that lie ahead. Extracting and sequencing ancient DNA is no easy feat. Time is not kind to genetic material, and over millions of years, DNA degrades and fragments into tiny pieces. It's like trying to put together a jigsaw puzzle where most of the pieces have been worn away to dust. The process of retrieving usable genetic information from these ancient samples is painstaking and fraught with difficulties. Scientists must work in ultra-clean environments to prevent contamination from modern DNA sources. Even then, the DNA they extract is often incomplete and damaged beyond repair. It's a race against time. As with each passing year, the genetic material becomes more fragmented and harder to decipher. Despite these challenges, researchers have made significant strides in the field of paleogenetics. Advanced sequencing technologies and sophisticated computer algorithms have allowed scientists to piece together fragments of ancient DNA and fill in the gaps using genetic information from living relatives. This process, known as genome assembly, is like reconstructing an entire book from a handful of torn pages. But even if we manage to overcome the hurdles of DNA extraction and sequencing, we're still faced with the daunting task of turning that genetic information into living, breathing dinosaurs. The process of cloning an extinct species is far more complex than simply injecting DNA into an egg. We would need to understand the intricacies of dinosaur embryology, find suitable surrogate species, and recreate the environmental conditions necessary for their development. Moreover, ethical considerations loom large over the prospect of resurrecting extinct species. Should we bring back creatures that nature has deemed unfit for the current world? What impact would the reintroduction of dinosaurs have on our existing ecosystems? These are questions that scientists, ethicists, and policymakers will need to grapple with as the technology advances. Despite the enormous challenges, the quest to unlock the secrets of ancient DNA continues. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the genetic makeup of extinct species and potentially bringing them back to life. While we may not see a T-Rex roaming the plains anytime soon, the science of resurrection is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier in genetic research, one thing is clear: the journey to resurrect the dinosaurs is as much about understanding our past as it is about shaping our future. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Whether or not we ever succeed in bringing dinosaurs back to life, the pursuit itself is expanding our understanding of genetics, evolution, and the intricate web of life on our planet. So the next time you look at a piece of amber, remember that within its golden depths may lie the key to unlocking the secrets of our planet's prehistoric past. The science of resurrection is not just about bringing back the dead. It's about breathing new life into our understanding of the world around us and the creatures that came before us.